You can do it. You want up there? No, we're not going to chew that. You can climb up there and sit up there. Don't chew. Here, I'll help you. You want some help? Here. There you go. Good bird. I'm going to check out what's in that bowl. Are you being forager like Boo? You're in a corner. Please don't eat that perch of all perches. Misha, no. We don't eat that perch. Other perches are easier to replace. So we eat other perches, but not that perch. There's nothing to do over there. If you come over, do you want to step up? Are you bored? Step up. You want to go see your sister? See, not that you guys understand, but we call Boo your brother and Sara your sister. Even though the three of you are hormonal hot messes, and I think Sara would totally, I know, she tries to, she's not cool. Oh, you dropped a chip there. Oh, I need to clean this floor. I remember a few years ago, I was so proud I redid it. Peel and stick is not great. See, because it can peel up, it's peel up and did you find a leaf? Is it crunchy? Well, I need to sweep in here again. Just constantly sweeping and mopping after cockatoos. Oh, is there another leaf? Oh, those are from some roses. Chop, chop, chop. I'm not gonna let move out until later, okay? Misha, do you want to go to the back to the front? Oh, there's a paper towel tube. It's a Misha toy. It's a Boo toy, actually. Oh my goodness. Okay, yep. Those are, oh wow, that was a rose that fell behind there. Now it's all dried. Yep, move that cup. Oh my. I'm so glad you found a rose, which is a pretty safe thing to get your body for getting into. Sugar bird. Good bird. Chomp, 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 chomp. Do I come back over here? There, go see Sara and Boo. There you go. You just have to make teeny tiny dust out of that. If I had kids, I would totally be one of those mothers that's like, okay, it's not going to kill you. You can take the consequences for your own actions. Are you all done? Wait. You got stuff on you. Oh, that's so dusty. There is dust under there as well as plant stuff. Good bird. Chew on the paper towel tube. Good bird. Good bird. Are you whistling? Bird. Quiet, and you want to be Are you busy? Sugarhead, sugar yellow. Oh, look. Except that is not a vegetable. That was a paper towel tube. You all done?